Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
First, confirm your Mac meets basic requirements for Microsoft Office. Ensure Mac OS 11 or later is installed and updated. Verify you have at least 4 GB of RAM and 10 GB of free disk space. Sign into your Apple ID to allow app installation from the App Store when needed. Create or sign in with a Microsoft account before you download Office. Decide whether you will use Microsoft 365 subscription or a one-time Office purchase. Open a browser and go to Microsoft.com/account to sign into your Microsoft account. Choose Microsoft 365 or your purchased Office product and click Install to download the installer. The installer file will appear in Downloads and is typically about 1 GB in size. Double-click the installer and follow the on-screen prompts to complete installation. When prompted, move Office apps to the Applications folder and grant permissions in System Preferences. Restart any open Office apps to finish setup. After installation, open Word or Excel and sign in with your Microsoft account to activate Office. If you have Microsoft 365, your subscription will activate features automatically upon sign-in. In the App menu, choose Check for Updates and enable Auto Update to keep Office current. Set preferences for default file formats, saving locations, and privacy options. If you experience problems, run Disk Utility First Aid. Reinstall the Office installer, or sign out and back into your Microsoft.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.